Hi guys, welcome back to the Blood, Sweat and Gears YouTube channel. My name's Stingy Roger and today we're going to be talking about my friend's new bike. Now this is Ronnie, you may have seen him in my last video. Recently he picked up the UK's cheapest Talaria Sting, so now we're going to get into it and we'll tell you exactly what he's done to it and what needed fixing.
Yeah, so this is my new Talaria Sting. We tried to find the cheapest one in the UK. We bought this one for £2,500. So far we've changed the back brake, because the original one wasn't very good. It wasn't working at all. We've rebled the front brake, changed the back wheel, painted a few parts, put new grips on, new light as well from laser lamps.
So yeah, we just stopped off for lunch. Bikes are here behind us at a tea hut. But yeah, he's keeping up well. Considering it's a stock bike, I think in a tight woodland sort of area you can keep up with an upgraded bike, can't you? You can't really use the top speed to its full potential.
Yeah, definitely. It seems like I can keep up with you to an extent, because we're not going rapid in the forest. Probably 30 mph tops, but it's usually around 20. So
yeah.
Yeah.
But for the cheapest bike in the UK, it's incredibly clean. Like I said, the frame was like mint, so that's all that matters really, because once you upgrade it, that's pretty much all that's left. This is the bougiest, the bougiest Talaria rider ever.
So my first impressions of the bike, I really like it. I've got no e-bike experience other than having it go on friends. But coming from a mountain bike, it took me about an hour to get used to it. We got it to 49 mph top speed. The battery life, we were out for about 3.5 hours, and I mean, I got back, it still had 30% on, so the battery's quite good. I've put a new light on the front, laser lamps, new back wheel, changed the back brake, bled the front. But yeah, I plan to upgrade it a bit more in the future, but not at the moment. I just want to get used to it first. The only problem, I'd say, not problem, but thing I'm having trouble with is getting used to the throttle. It's a bit on off, but I got used to it in a couple hours. But yeah.
We have added a few parts, like these stickers here. They're just leftover graphics from my graphic kit, because I have the carbon protectors just to stop the frame wearing through. Obviously it's got a 3D printed ignition. That's just a prototype that Ronnie's doing, so it's not a finished product. And yeah, I think it looks really cool considering it's hardly got anything on it. The forks aren't actually Fox 40s, they're just stickers. But yeah, I think it looks like a much more expensive bike. I thought it was going to be like wrecked when we got there, didn't you?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be in bits, but it was pretty clean. Just had some maintenance to do, and other than that, we've got it working like a brand new bike now. So.
Yeah, we're going to have to change the gearbox oil soon. But yeah, so expect to see Ronnie in a lot more videos from now on. Upgrading his bike along the way, riding, getting better. We're going to have to teach him how to wheelie next.
Yeah.
Is that Rebel Ronnie?
Yeah.
I recognise you from that YouTube channel. Yeah, so as Ronnie said, it's peeing it down. It's absolutely hammering it down. We're trying to get this clip filmed. The bikes are getting a bit soggy. But hopefully we'll get a video out to you. We're just on our way back now. But yeah, his bike's held up well. Jeez! Go on, do something for the camera. Oh, it's speed racing. I'm trying to ride with one hand and film with the other, so it's not going to be very steady. He just had to give it a clean up because it was caked in mud. Weather in the UK is terrible today, so it's looking good though. Get that in, get that dried off. Mine's sitting pretty in here. That is disgusting. Got the new Evolve pegs on. These are incredible. So grippy. If you've ever ridden a mountain bike and you have like flat pedals on it from Crank Brothers or other decent pedals, this is exactly what this feels like. You cannot slip a foot. It's almost impossible. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. It just goes to show you that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a good Talaria Sting. And for the people that buy Talaria Sting Rs and then change all the parts that make it an R, you might as well just started with one of these, then done the battery, controller, suspension, everything like that. But yeah, so if you did find this video useful, please drop me a comment, leave me a like, consider subscribing. We're so close to 1,000 subs. Once I get to 1,000 subs, we're actually doing a giveaway where we're going to be giving away a full 3D printed kit, including a ignition cover, a gearbox cover, and a horn delete in any color of your choice. You don't have to be from the UK. You just have to leave the comment in the comment section below telling me what color you want. Subscribe to me on here and follow me on Instagram at StingyRoger. The winner will be picked in the next video, so good luck. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, so basically, I need windscreen wipers for the bloody